Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, nowadays it's really important that we protect our WhatsApp because all our life, all our information, all our confidential information, everything is stored somewhere in WhatsApp. And you never want it to fall into the wrong hands because you don't know how they are going to misuse against you, how they are going to extort anything from you, right? So that's why it's very important that we protect our WhatsApp accounts. So go to your WhatsApp and go to the settings. As you can see here in this screen, there is an option account secure account under which you have security notification. So basically we are enabling dual factor authentication so that if just someone just gets a passcode, that itself is not gonna be sufficient to hack over your WhatsApp. Okay, it's gonna make their life difficult. So now I came here, we have like two-step verification. So put on two-step verification, you can and tap on turn on. So basically it is asking you to set up a pin that you can remember. So even if somebody, like a lot of hacking and all gets on, so that they transfer your WhatsApp to their phone using SIM swapping and other thing. But if you set this pin that you should know, so that like you should definitely do it, because even after doing that they won't be able to get directly to your WhatsApp. Okay, so set up a 6-digit pin. Now don't make it so simple like your date of birth or your street number or your postal code, something that anyone or especially those who know you can guess it so easily. But yes, you should remember it. You should save it also at a safe place for your safety. So I'm gonna put this and then I'm gonna tap next. Next screen, again confirm the same pin and then tap on save. So I'm gonna do this. See, it has been set. So now it clearly says that two-factor verification is on. You will need to enter your PIN if you register your phone number on WhatsApp again. That's it. So this will help you a lot in case somebody tries to hack into your account. Another thing I would tell you, go to email address under settings account and put your email too. This will also help you in case you lose your PIN code due to whatever reason. Okay, this will help you to recover. But yes, you should, as I said, you should always have your uh, PIN remember and say saved. So this is how you can make your account safer. Okay, I use the word safer, not safe, because in the world of IT with evolutions going every day, nothing can be 100% safe, at least at a time. So be sure, be updated, be safer, so that in case of any attack you are protected. Okay, that's all we can do, and that's all we must do. So thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.